Hey, if your neck is achy, painful, or stiff, keep watching. My name is Rich Poley. I wrote the book Self-Massage for Athletes, and I'm going to show you how to relieve your muscle pain and soreness with your bare hands. This is a learn by doing video, so while you view it, do it. Let's get started. Step number 1. Take everything you have on your neck off your neck and get out the best massage tools on the planet, your hands. Every animal on the planet has neck pains. We humans are the only ones who can take matters into our own hands and relieve our pain. We're lucky that way. Now, take a second to note how your neck feels on a scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being terrible and 10 terrific. You need to quantify how you feel before and after your massage so you'll know how effective it was. Are you ready to begin your actual massage? Okay then. Now get out your hands and glide them on your fabulous neck like so. This is a warm, relaxing stroke. Relax your shoulders. Gently glide your hands around your neck while moving your neck in small circles. Lean your elbows on a table or desk if possible. Your neck should be warm, relaxed, and starting to feel a little better, knowing it's in good hands. Squeeze and pulse the back of your neck with one hand. Rest your chin on your chest to stretch your neck and just follow along with the video. Press your fingers into the muscles that live in the back of your neck. Slowly move your chin towards your chest while massaging. Relax your shoulders and breathe. For a different angle and feel, try holding both elbows over your head. Thumbs pressing and rolling down on the 2 muscles on the sides of the back of your neck. Just press and roll your fingers. Gently press the knuckles from both hands into the sides of your neck and roll your hands slowly, moving your massage to different parts of your neck until you've covered both sides. Gradually move your head as you massage. Now use your fingers to press and roll the muscles on the side of your neck. Move your head around to get a more powerful massage. Press and roll your thumbs into your neck like so. Gently press and roll all 5 fingers into the front of your neck, gradually moving your massage to cover the entire front of your neck. You can go right up to your jaw if you like. Stay relaxed, breathe deeply, keep your shoulders totally relaxed by leaning on your desk and follow along with the video. Now let's try drumming. Softly tap your fingers against your neck muscles. Be gentle but firm. Keep your shoulders totally relaxed. Now try drumming the back of your neck with your fists. That should feel good. Roll your shoulders like so 3 times. Breathe deeply and stay focused. Rest your hands on your thighs and close your eyes. focus on your breath. Relax your neck and shoulders. Breathe deeply and feel your breath flowing through your neck as all pain and stress disappear. And now for the moment of truth. Do you feel better than when you started? Did you relieve your neck pain? On a scale of 1 to 10, how do you feel now? Rate your before and after scores in the comments below. Stay relaxed and keep breathing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Self-massage, it's not just for cheapskates anymore.